Die now.
Domina, he is awake.
Good, thank you.
Well, hello there, Andrea. Oh, how the festivities continue.
Well, Saturnalia, Arrogance.
Yeah, right. Don't tell me you're going to buy one of those ridiculous hats to wear all week, are you? I know that's what you're supposed to do, I guess. I don't know how a silly hat's gonna make us all closer to the gods. But here we are anyway. Speaking of festivities, I see you've made the final bit on my old fighting dog.
That's a man you're talking about.
Oh, what'd I say? Yeah. Dealt with too much pity in the arena anyway.
Mercy is not to be mistaken for pity. Besides, you know I do what it takes to win.
Oh, that you do. Well, tomorrow should bring me great profits. I have to go find my daughter. Enjoy the games.
Isn't she beautiful? Harmonia, the Greek goddess of harmony. Isn't that right, Harmonious of Corinth?
I know who you are, and I know what you want with me.
Do you know?
You're known as the Queen of the Ring. Everyone knows.
Well, you listen to me now, and I promise I will bring you to glory. Is everything all right?
Nothing. But if you're looking for glory, find it outside of a gladiator's ring.
Nonetheless, I've had the best trainers prepare you for the Saturnella festival this week. Your first match starts tomorrow after the games and parties.
At victorium. At victorium.
So, you come to gloat?
Gloating's the last thing on my mind.
Yeah. After all that money I paid, all I get is a dead man. What now? Who's my daughter going to cheer for?
Your fighter seems to be the one who's paid most dearly with his life.
Yeah, but I lost the match.
Maybe you should take a different approach to the games. Something less stressful. There's only a few days left to honor Saturn and the harvest. I recommend you spend your time wisely.
Okay, now you're gloating. Your old dog just got lucky. He will be put down soon enough, and I'll find a better fighter to do it.
Your people, the Corinthians, worshipped under the name Harmonia. Our people know her as Concordia. You Greeks are not so different from us Romans. We all want the same thing. Concord and harmony. Your old master made you a good fighter, but I can make you a good man. Rest easy. Thousands will be gathered at the Saturnalia festival tomorrow, in celebration of the new year.
Die now.
Get up, your match is starting. Clean up. Domino wants to see you spotless.
Harmonious at victorium. Harmonious at victorium. Harmonious at victorium.
Congratulations on your victory, Harmonious.
The only victor here is death, and those who serve him. I am no victor.
I always saw you as the man, not the bloodshed you spill, but the hand that you hold and the heart that you heal.
You're always too optimistic.
Our God's best teaches us that optimism and hope is best held close to our hearts. This, Brutus, is my gift to you. This is how I win. You're no longer a prisoner of fate.
I'm a free man.
It's not enough to say it. You have to mean it. Take the sword. Take your freedom. My friend, you bow to no one.